Since 2007, Birmingham City Council, the largest single unitary authority in Europe, has had an operational CHP district energy scheme providing heat, chilled water and electricity to meet its new energy consumption targets.
We currently spend £1.6 billion on energy in the city. Not just the City Council, but that's everybody in the city. If we can reduce our consumption by 25%, it means £400 million can be spent within the local economy.
To meet the City Council's goals, Cofely was chosen to build a growing network, fed today by 4 energy centres, distributing their output to several buildings through 4 kilometres of buried pipework and cables, saving 12,000 tonnes of CO2 per year.
I think the really exciting thing about the Birmingham scheme, and the one that people find most fascinating, is that we've put this heat grid into the heart of an existing city. We've retrofitted it to existing buildings. District energy in the UK is commonly seen as something that you only add to new buildings, for example, our project at the Olympics.
Today was an opportunity to unveil a few of the carbon calculators that will show the public the amount of savings the scheme is providing in real time. Cofely partnered up with 3 local public authorities, using a unique and innovative business model, allowing for public and private sectors to join resources and know-how to meet the City Council's goals of reduction of carbon emission.
I think the partnership works very successfully in Birmingham because we have built such a level of trust. The City Council, the hospital and the university, so the core consumers. The form of contract that we have with them then delivers a profit share back to those core consumers over the 25 years. That profit share is a 50-50 split of all profits above a core level to meet our returns. To be honest, even in the UK, I think that the public-private partnership model that we practice is still quite unique.
The public and private sectors working together benefit from each other's expertise and vision.
Our green credentials at the university are hugely important. We're educating the next generation of leaders. These are the people who, over their working lives, are going to have to deliver a 50% reduction in CO2 emissions if we're going to make sure this planet is still habitable by the end of the century. So these young people have really got to be inspired by the fact that there are solutions to these problems which are simple, are doable, are affordable, and indeed can actually save you money, as the example of this facility we have here has.
This new and innovative way of doing business is getting a lot of attention and recognition from the public.
The scheme's won many awards since we've constructed it. It's won Energy Efficiency Awards, it's even won a Queen's Award. But what surprised us most is when we actually entered our first competition for a Business Model Award, not only did we win, we won first place overall out of 30 different entrants.